Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a website on Wix step by step. So let's go to the browser first, then choose one account you want to connect with Wix like this one. Now you have to write here Wix, then click on Google, enter. Now you'll find the first option here, Wix website builder. It is free. Now click on get started. Now you can fill up your email, confirm email password, or you can continue with Google. I'm clicking continue with Google. Choose your email again. Click on continue. Now here you can see who you are creating the website for. You can create it for myself, my business, or a friend. Click on continue. And you can do it manually. Set up without chat. You can choose what type of website you are. I'm click on online store. Click on continue. You have to name the online store here, right here, Techavro. Click on continue. You can write here the description. Now sell products, get booked online. You can choose many of them. Just choose according to your need, then click on continue. Click on finish. Your website is preparing, so hold on some seconds. Your website is ready, and here is your website dashboard. Now you can see here design site. Click on design site, and you can see a customize a template or generate with AI chat. You can click on pick a template and customize yourself. You can choose any template you want. I'm choosing the first one just to show you for the basic tutorial. Click on edit. Here you can see that your website is ready, and it is saying this is elements, this is add section, page menu, site design, and you'll find here this add apps, my business, media, CMS. Now you can see your add some ideas, add some details about your site. You can add something here, that's up to you, or you can generate the site. Hi, this is sorry. So here is your website. You can edit your website, your homepage. You can change that tab. You can change it anywhere. Just click on these elements. You can add elements. Now, your website is ready here. You have to now just edit according to your need and design according to your need. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.